Hey everyone, I'm including this video in this 5-part, and this will be 6-part series here because it's pretty comical. Clyde comes back about an hour and a half later, and he's landed on the deck of the barn, and what he does is he starts looking for another rat. You're gonna see him like staring down at the place where the rat was, and he doesn't know why there's not another rat. So you can see him looking for it, and it was just so comical that I had to also videotape this and show everybody his response to finding the first rat. So at one point he even looks up into the sky like, okay, is this where the rats drop from? And I found it quite interesting that he's actually looking for this thing. He says, I know it was right here, and I don't know why there's not another one here for me. But you're gonna have to hunt on your own, Clyde. That was kind of a semi-emergency for Bonnie because I don't think you've been feeding her enough, and I don't think it's from lack of your trying. I think it's just that there might be a shortage of rodents out there. So he should look up at the sky here in a second. There he goes. Look at him. He's looking up there going, okay, is this where they fall down from? But no such luck. So he goes over to his other corner and sits there, and he's there for another good 20 or 30 minutes before he takes off and realizes he's got to go out and get his own food again. Alright, that's it for now.